So we'll see that it's almost universally across UP. It's not in the north, south, east, west. It's all over saffron, a saffron colored tablecloth with a few spots of, different parties. I think they're going to pull that up in a second. Yeah, just look at that. If you can just zoom in on that or whatever, just see how it's all saffron, up, down, left, right, wherever you go, it's there. So it's nothing to do with the phases. It's a wave. I mean, what can I say? It's all over.
Well, I'm sure the wave part has surprised the BJP too, because no one was calling it a wave, but the BJP seems to be winning handsomely in Uttar Pradesh as well, sweeping Uttarakhand as we're looking at the first trains coming in.
I was on the Ghats of Banaras,
yeah,
and I was asking this boy, and he was cheering BJP, and he was cheering Modi, and I asked him why. And this is a kid who was after 16, he's left school. He pointed to the Ghats and he said, look at the cleanliness. Look at the changes that have happened. This has never happened.
Okay, they're still not as clean, but I give him,
but come on,
but they're cleaner.
I can give you an example.
Much cleaner.
30 years ago, I took my mother to Banaras.
It became too clean.
She was too tired. She was resting in the hotel. I went down to the Ghats. I could hardly hold my nose. It was disgusting. It was filthy. Then I prayed to Lord Ganesha, I'll have to say this. I prayed, and the next morning I took it down, it was clean. The governor had come for taking a bath. So the whole night they cleaned the street right down to there. But the rest of it was a mess. I was there, I've walked the Ghats. A lot of work has happened, and the kids are noticing it.
Right.
1. 2, there are toilets. There were no toilets before.